What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be washing the Blazer again, and I know that's mostly what's on my channel, but today there's a reason to it. I'm going to be testing out the Dragon Touch 4K camera in the waterproof housing, and I'm also going to be testing Rain-X foaming car wash and auto drive all-wheel and tire cleaner. I mean, that's the Walmart brand, and of course, you know, everybody knows Rain-X. So, then here's the box the camera come in. And there's some of the accessories. I've played with it some, and so far it's not bad for a $50 camera from Amazon. But, you know, it's not got, it doesn't have great audio. So it's one of those things that, for some of the shots like I'm fixing to do with the pressure washer, where I'm probably going to put music over it anyway, it'll work great. Or for putting it on the outside of the car, it would work great. But for actually vlogging or talking to you guys, it's not going to work all that well. So we're going to jump right into it, and I'll talk to y'all in just a minute. Alright guys, so I've taken the Dragon Touch out of the waterproof case. You know, this is a little test of the audio. I know it's horrible in the waterproof case, so I'm going to test it out here. What we're fixing to do now is we're fixing to clean the wheels. We're going to test out that tire cleaner, the auto drive wheel and tire cleaner. We're going to be testing it and see how it does. Alright guys.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Alright guys, this is the one with the wheel and tire cleaner. Looks pretty good. Cleaned it up. There are a few spots that, I guess I could have scrubbed a little better or something, but for the most part, the wheel and tire cleaner does pretty good. Now we'll go around to the other side. And this one, I did not use wheel and tire cleaner on. And you can see it on the tire itself actually. The rim, there's a few spots you can see that I didn't use it. But I mean, for the most part, it is what it is, I'll probably end up hitting this one again with the tire cleaner. There's not a huge difference, but there is a little bit of one. And since I've done the other three with it, I might as well go ahead and do this one with it. Alright guys, we'll be back in just a minute.
Alright guys, I just got done rinsing the Blazer off. This is not the best wash I've ever done. No, it's not. I wasn't trying to. It was just merely me trying out a couple new products. That and I had free time and felt like it. So, you can see I didn't even wash the mirror all good, which I need to go back and knock that out just so it's halfway decent. And then the fact that I done it in the sun, it dried pretty quick. There's not a whole lot of soap mark. I mean, there's some, but there's not a whole lot. But most of the stuff you see is for sure I didn't wash good. At this point, you guys have already seen the foam cannon with the Rain-X car wash in it. That was diluted, so I'm going to go back and fill the foam cannon about halfway up with nothing but soap. And I'm going to do it again just to see what it does. I've been curious about if I used straight soap and didn't dilute it, what it would do. So that'd be a nice little comparison. Alright guys, catch you in a minute. Guys, that's going to be it for the video today. As far as the Rain-X soap, I like it. Yeah, it did a really good job. Like I said before, I wasn't trying very hard to get the car looking great, and it does look, I'm not going to say great because there's spots that I see, but for the most part, it looks a lot better than it did before. Like 100% better. And it left a really nice shine to it too, as y'all can see. But, and then the wheel and tire cleaner, I sprayed some tire shine on it, so you can't really tell now. But the wheel and tire cleaner, it was okay. I think if I had to buy some more again, I would go back to the Turtlewax because it looked a lot better. But you know, that's what it is. And then the camera, I haven't seen the video yet. I haven't looked at any of it, so I hope that the audio turned out okay with the waterproof case. And I hope that the shots look good. Of course, you guys will see that too as soon as I post it. Use your own opinion on the camera. But alrighty, guys, that's gonna be it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Keep up to date with some of the newer content I'm going to be putting out. And don't forget about the Amazon gift card giveaway. Once I reach 100 subscribers, I will be giving away a $100 Amazon gift card to one of my subscribers. I'll pick one of you at random, probably put your names into some kind of generator or something.